Alright, so you have got yourself a brand new phone, exciting stuff. But now there is a bit of a hiccup. You have switched from iPhone to Android or the other way around, and you are stuck wondering how to move all your WhatsApp chats over. And that's where I come in. Today I want to introduce you to a super handy tool called iMyTrans. It is designed specifically to help with this kind of situation. Whether you are moving from iPhone to Android, Android to iPhone, or even just upgrading within the same ecosystem, this tool lets you transfer your entire WhatsApp chat history directly between devices with just a single click. So let's quickly dive in and take a closer look at how it works and what feature it brings to the table. Now once you have installed iMyTrans, go ahead and open it up. You will see 4 options on the main screen: WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, Line and GB WhatsApp. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to easily transfer your WhatsApp business data between iPhone and an Android device. No fuss, no confusion. To start off, you will need to download and install iMyTrans on your computer. I have included the download link in the description down below. So just click on that and install the software like you would any other program. Once it is installed, go ahead and launch it. Now take both your iPhone and your Android phone and connect them to your computer using USB cable. At this point, your iPhone should connect automatically, but if your Android phone doesn't show up, don't worry. Here is how you can fix that. On your Android device, open the Setting app, scroll down to About Phone and then tap on the build number 7 times. This will enable developer mode. Once that is on, go back to the main setting menu, tap on developer option and turn on USB debugging. Now while you are there, also look for an option called USB configuration and set it to MTP, which stands for Media Transfer Protocol. With both phones connected and detected, you are ready to transfer your WhatsApp data. In iMyTrans, make sure your iPhone is set to the source device, since that's where the chats are coming from. Then from the main screen, select Transfer WhatsApp. Now this tool supports the transfer of everything: your messages, photos, videos, and even attachments. Once you are ready, simply click Start Transfer and let the software do its thing. The transfer might take a few minutes depending on how much data you have, so just be patient. Also follow any prompts that appears. One of them will ask you to verify your phone number. At this point, go ahead and download WhatsApp on your Android phone if it is not already installed. Open it up and log in using the same number you have used on your iPhone. During setup, you may see an option to restore data. Make sure to tap Restore and just follow the on-screen instructions and then tap Next on your phone. And that's it. Once the process is complete, you will see all your WhatsApp chats, media and attachments right there on your Android phone, exactly as they were on your iPhone. No data lost, no hassle, just a smooth transfer from one device to another. Now, as I previously mentioned, this tool also lets you back up WhatsApp data from any iOS or Android device, regardless of the version you are using. You even have the flexibility to back up directly from your device or pull the backup from Google Drive, which is super convenient. And in this part of the video, I'm going to walk you through the process of backing up WhatsApp on Android phone step by step. First, connect your Android phone to your computer using the USB cable. Once it's connected, go ahead and open iMyTrans on your computer and click on the backup option. Now before proceeding with the backup, you will need to temporarily turn off WhatsApp end-to-end encrypted backup on your phone. To do that, open WhatsApp, go to Setting, then Chat Backup and find the end-to-end encrypted backup option. Toggle that off for now. Then on your computer, click Closed when prompted, and go back to your phone to turn the encrypted backup back again. After that, click Next. At this stage, WhatsApp will show you a 64-digit encryption key on your Android phone. Just stay on that screen. Now on your computer, click Scan in iMyTrans. Once the scan is successful, go ahead and select the I saved my 64-digit key option and the app will start creating a brand new backup. This might take a few minutes depending on your chat history size, so hang on. Now once the backup process is complete, click Next on your computer and that's it. Your WhatsApp backup on Android is done. Alright, now let's quickly go over the pricing, because I'm sure that's something you're curious about. iMyTrans run on a subscription based model and there are 3 plans to choose from depending on how you plan to use it. If you just need for a one-time job or short-term use, there is a monthly plan for $29.99. Now, if you think you might use it again, maybe to help out a friend or family, it makes more sense to go with the annual plan, which is only $39.99 for the entire year. And for those who want full access without ever having to think about renewal, there is a lifetime license for $49.99. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have found this useful, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.